On today's video, we're going shopping for spring and Easter decor to multiple Dollar Trees here in San Diego, California. Keep watching. As you guys can see, I went a little bit overboard with my shopping today. Hello everyone, I am Ramon. Welcome back to Ramon at Home. I'm so excited you're here today because we're going shopping at Dollar Tree for spring and Easter items. I'm gonna take you to multiple Dollar Tree stores and I'm gonna show you a massive Dollar Tree Easter haul. So if you are interested in this video, please stay tuned. Don't forget to like this video and share with a friend. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing for future decorating and DIY ideas. And if you already subscribed, don't forget to turn the notification bell on so you're notified about every single upload. All right, you guys, it's time to go shopping. All right, everyone, so we have arrived to our very first location here at the Dollar Tree in Chula Vista in San Diego. We're gonna go inside and we're gonna look for some spring/Easter decor, so come shopping with me. I had not seen these little buckets. They're like tin buckets. They're painted white. They have some florals in it. These are perfect for place setting, so I'm gonna take a few packages and come up with something beautiful. All right, so this is one of my favorite things they have here at the store, and I have used this on the centerpieces already, but I have a few more projects coming up, so I'm gonna go ahead and grab a bag of this. And then the larger size, there's 4 on the large bag and there is 10 pieces on the small bag, so this is a winner. Now I love the shape of this little bunny right here. However, I think it's kind of cheesy with the little diamond eyes and nose, but I think we can come up with a cute project because it's very three-dimensional. So we're gonna take a few and do something fun with them. So we are leaving Dollar Tree number 1. I have quite a few items that I'm gonna show you later on the haul. I'm gonna head over to Dollar Tree number 2, so stay tuned. And I am at my second location for the day, and I'm super excited because this particular store here in Chula Vista in California, it's one of my favorite ones. So let's go inside and see what they have. Now, how cute are these clothespins? They can have a little felt rabbit with a little pom-pom tail. There's 4 in a pack for $1, and these are really cute. So we can come up with something fun with this as well. Now this year they have this that is new, is this pom-pom little kits to put your own little chicken or rabbit together. These are perfect to get the kids involved in crafting. And there is 6 pieces to a pack. This is perfect for kids crafting. Alright, so when it comes down to flowers for Easter, I really love this guy right here. Let's see, the name of it is Baby's Breath supposedly, but this pink is perfect for Easter for a project, so I think we're gonna have to take a few of these. Now, if you've been following the channel, then you know that I'm crazy over this larkspur here at the dollar store, and look how cute it looks together with the pink. It is perfect for Easter, so I think we're gonna have to come up with a project for these florals. So I have arrived to my third Dollar Tree here in San Diego, and I'm about to go in and see what we can find for spring and Easter. Keep watching. I'm having so much fun bringing you guys along with me every time I go shopping. So if you want to see more shopping videos and shopping hauls, leave me the hashtag shopping on the comment section below. And before we go into our third store, let me explain something real quick to you. But here's the thing, the reason why we want to go out shopping for spring and Easter right now is because they're just now putting stuff out. We do not want it to get picked over because I hate it when I'm looking for a particular item that I've seen before or seen here on YouTube somebody use, and then I go to my local store and cannot find it. So I cannot stress enough the importance of going early, to shop early, stock up, because we have so many projects, and I cannot wait to show you what I bought, so stay tuned. I have not seen these stems of grass with Easter eggs on them. They're so pretty, made out of tinsel. We're gonna have to take a few home and show you guys a project with them as well. I also like these little carrots. I think we're gonna come up with a project for them. They're super cute. And sometimes the ribbon is so hard to find, and this store really has a really good selection of the Easter colors and patterns. So we're gonna take a few as well for our bows. Now this guy is gonna be one of my favorite things I've seen this year here at the dollar store, and we're gonna take one to come up with a cute project including these little carrots. It's gonna be so cute, so stay tuned. How cute are these little Easter baskets? Alright, so I have to show you guys the selection of florals at this particular dollar store. It is so full and the variety is amazing. I really like these planters. So they're 3 for $1 and they come in 2 different sizes. There's this medium size and this small one. I think we're gonna take a few of them and we're gonna have a project done with them. Well, you guys know that I'm always looking for these tinsel stems to wrap on our wreaths and stems. So I'm gonna go ahead and take them because these are the perfect colors for spring. All right, everyone, so we are done here at Dollar Tree. We're gonna go home and I'm gonna show you all of the items that I purchased this time around. So many projects coming your way, so stay tuned. Let's go home and show you all of it. Woo! Shopping is exhausting, but I'm having so much fun showing you guys around the dollar stores. And now it's time to show you all of the things that I got. And let me tell you, I went crazy. So let's go into the studio and show you everything that I purchased for our Easter and spring decor. Keep watching. So I am back from my local dollar store, and this is the moment where I ask you to grab yourself a cup of coffee or a cup of tea or whatever you're drinking because it's going to take a while. As you guys can see, I went a little bit overboard with my shopping today, and I cannot wait to show you all of the things that I got. So let's get started, but first I think I'm going to go ahead and put these two down so that way it'll give me some space to show you. So I'm gonna start with bag number 1. I'm so excited to show you all the projects we're gonna be working for spring and Easter. And this bag right here contains some of these really cute carrots. And I think I got 3, 4, 5 of these little carrot bags because we're gonna put a few projects together that are inspired by little carrots. These were only $1 and there's 4 to a pack. They're super affordable and really, really cute. And the inspiration for that project is going to be this plaque. You can also find at your local dollar store this cute little bunny with the Easter, Happy Easter little carrots, but we're going to transform this guy into something really, really fun. So those are my first purchases, and this is going to be one of our upcoming projects for our Easter decor. Then I found this cute little bunny, and he says, "Bunny, please stop here." It has these glitter letters. It's really adorable. It's only $1. This is supposed to be meant for the yard, but we're going to do something fabulous with this. And I got some florals for this particular project. It is super affordable for only $1. And as you guys saw, I absolutely love this guy. I think the eyes and the little nose is kind of cheesy as well as the ears, but we're going to come up with something super cute for this guy. And he's going to be part of a, well, I can't tell you what, so you're gonna have to stay tuned for that. And this is also our other plaque that we purchased. I also love this one. It has a little carrot and the bunny and the Easter egg as well. It says Cotton Crossing Carrot Path Easter Bunny. So it's super cute. So it's pointing to where it needs to go. It's only $1. So we got 3 little plaques. We have the one with the 3 colors. We got the one with the bunny. And then we got the one with the Easter bunny and the carrots. So this is gonna be one video with 3 projects, and I'm super excited. So we also got the little bunny. I cannot wait to work with them. And all of the carrots that we're going to need for one of our projects. All right, let's move on to bag number 2. By the way, thumbs up for Easter, you guys. It is one of my favorite times of the year. And if you guys want to see more Easter and spring decor, leave me the hashtag Easter down below if you are interested in Easter projects. All right, so you guys have seen me use these guys. I got one of the large ones and one of the small ones. I've used them on the lantern so far, and then also I'm gonna use them in the centerpiece. It'll all be coming out soon. And then what else did I use? The lantern and the swag. So if you guys have not seen the swag and the lantern, I'm gonna link them up, but I use some of these Easter eggs. I think they're super adorable. There's 4 to a pack and then also 10 to a pack for only $1. So they're a really good steal. I absolutely adore them and I cannot wait to use them on these projects that we have going on right here. All right, so then I got some more ribbon, and this ribbon is going to be used in a few projects. Let me pull them all out so I know exactly what I have. All right, so I have two of the burlap, one that says Happy Easter with all the Easter colors. I absolutely adore this. It's got 3 yards and it's only $1. I think all of them this year is 3 yards. It used to be 6, but now they cut them down a little bit. And then I also have two of the Easter eggs. It's gonna be so much fun. I have one of the other Easter egg, and then I have one of the plaid and one of the purple, and these are going to be used in multiple of our projects. I'm gonna be doing 3 projects per video, so you have to stay tuned because I have so many ideas coming your way. And if you've been watching the channel, you know that I like to keep my ideas on a small budget. That way, well, we don't break the bank, because I feel like it's very important to keep it on budget when it comes down to the seasonal decorating. That way we can invest in bigger pieces, save our money for our bigger pieces. And we will be talking about home decor very soon. Oh look, I have 2 more carrots that I bought at a different store, so I have a total of 6 of these carrots. So cute. All right, and then at this particular store I got 2 packs of moss. I feel like this should be on my other bag where I have all of my tools that I'm gonna show you. But anyways, I got 2 packs of these reindeer moss for only $1. There's plenty of moss for a project that we'll be doing. And I absolutely adore these guys right here, these planterns. They come in a medium size and they come in a small size, and I cannot wait to show you guys this project. I'm super excited. It's going to include the moss. It might include some of the bunnies, some of the carrots. So you're gonna have to stay tuned for this. It's gonna be super cute. If you see them at your local store, fetch a few, because I promise you, you're gonna love this project. All right, and then I also, oh, I forgot I got this. So I got this bunny with the Easter eggs, and I got 2 of them, I believe. My goodness, I have so many projects coming your way. You are not even going to be able to handle it. All right, so then I got 2 of these Easter bunnies. We're gonna be making some really fun projects with them. I cannot tell you what we're doing, but you're gonna have to stay tuned. And remember, we're doing 3 projects per video. Super excited about that. And then I have this other one right here. Oh, it's upside down. It says, all bunnies welcome. This is super adorable. So we're also gonna be doing a project with this guy right here. Some of them we might be taking apart. We might not, can't tell you much. And then at that local dollar store also, I got some of the really thin purple ribbon, as well as the pink with the silver, because we're gonna be needing some of this ribbon for some really cute details. All right, let me get my other 2 bags and I'll be right back with you. All right, I am back and I cannot wait to show you. I'm gonna start with this one because it has only a few items, but I bought some of this floral foam. I got 3 blocks of floral foam. They're only $1, and as you guys know, I was a florist for over 10 years. So every time that I see really good quality floral foam, I just get it. This is the kind that is cut into 4 pieces. It makes it really easy for us because it's already pre-cut. So if you see this floral foam at your dollar store, I really recommend you stock up on it. Just have it at hand, because here on the channel, I show you various ideas on how to decorate with floral foam and flowers. Then I got 1 more of these guys right here, and I have another one that I used for Valentine's that I gave away. It had the topiary with the heart. If you guys have not seen that, it's really cute. It gives you ideas. But I got 1 of these, and also I got an air freshener for my car so it doesn't stink. All right, so I got that, and then I got a foam wreath also for $1, and then I got 1 of the small ones. You guys have seen me shop for this before with a large size, so this time I got a small one because we're gonna be doing some projects with this. Look at this mess, oh my God. All right, so that's all on this bag. So I really recommend to stock up not only on your foam, but your wreath forms in foam and wicker, in wire, and just have them at hand. That way you can get creative and just keep practicing, because nothing gives you more confidence on your crafting than practice. You know what they say, practice makes what? Not perfect, but improvement. Keep that in mind. Practice makes improvement. All right, so then these are all of my stems that I purchased. So I'm gonna go ahead and take them all out because I wanna show you guys. We're gonna be working with this. You guys know I love the lilac, and I've used it in so many projects. And the wreath you're seeing behind me, I've used them in the swag, I've used them in floral arrangements, I've used them by themselves, and I just love, this is my favorite thing Dollar Tree has right now in the floral department. I die for it. And then the other thing I got is some of this pink baby's breath. I didn't know baby's breath was this thick, but apparently at Dollar Tree it is. So I got 2 stems of this, and look how pretty this looks together. And this might be paired with one of the bunnies for a project, I cannot tell you much. But how cute is this put together, you guys? I love the soft lilac and the soft pink with the touch of fuchsia. So get yourself some of this lilac. Actually, the girl at the dollar store said to me, "You're taking more of that?" I said, "Yes, I'm gonna take it all," and I did take all of the ones they had. All right, so then this bush of 2, 4, 6 cream roses is gonna be used for my spring wreath. And I cannot wait to show you this wreath because it's gonna be my particular spring wreath for my door. It's going to be super lavish, and it might include some of the lemons that we see at the dollar store. So here is those cream roses for $1. Look at all these flowers for $2. It's just unbelievable. And then I got some of these foliage. This is kind of like a boxwood. Comes 2, 4, 6, 7 stems for $1 of this boxwood. This is a phenomenal wreath filler, but we're gonna be using it for some other projects here at Ramon at home. So stay tuned. And if you see this particular boxwood foliage, grab it because it's super affordable. And then I bought some of this grass. As you guys saw, the ones with the Easter eggs. There was only one, so I was like, well, there's no reason to just get one. So I went ahead and bought a few of these grasses. They are super long and super cute, and they're going to be used in a project that is going to be for a tablescape for Easter. And there's going to be a video about 3 spring Easter tablescapes, and also have a video coming out of 3 ideas on how to decorate your coffee table, your entryway, and your kitchen. So there's going to be plenty of Easter and spring videos coming up, and I cannot wait. So if you guys want to see more spring and Easter decor, don't forget to leave me the hashtag Easter down below so I know that you are interested in this subject. This is all I have for today, and I really hope you guys enjoyed this massive super haul of all the things we're going to be needing for our projects. If you are out shopping, be sure to grab them because you will not want to go looking for them and then not be there, because that's like the worst thing that can happen to me. All right, you guys, well, that's all I have for today. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with a friend. Please be back for future decorating ideas. As you guys can see, we have plenty of projects coming up. If you enjoyed the wreath right behind me, I'm gonna link it up, or you can watch more videos right now. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe today, and until next time, bye.